Hello, little learners. Welcome back to Phonics Teach. Today, we are learning the IT family words. Let's say the sounds together. I, t, it, I, t, it. Great job! Now, let's read the IT family words one by one. B, it, bit. A bit means a small piece. F, it. Fit. Fit means the right size. It. Hit. Hit means to tap something gently. K. It. Kit. A kit is a box of tools or supplies. L. It. Lit. Lit means something is glowing or turned on. P. It. Pit. A pit is a small hole in the ground. S. It. Sit. Sit means to rest on a chair. You did an amazing job learning the IT family words. Let's say them all together. Bit, fit, hit, kit, lit, pit, and sit. Wonderful reading! Good job! Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more phonics adventures. See you next time on Phonics Teach.